Alright, in this video we're going to look at finding the x and y intercepts from ordered pairs. So let me write my instructions up here. Find the x-intercept and y-intercept from ordered pairs. So let's remember, first of all, our x-intercept is some number and then comma 0. So the y value is 0 in the x-intercept. And then for the y-intercept, it's the flip. 0 comes first, and then the y value comes second. Because remember, graphically, we're looking for the y-intercept to be on the y-axis and the x-intercept to be on the x-axis. So graphically, we move over left or right to get on the x-axis. We don't go up or down at all. And then vice versa. Here for the y-intercept, we go up. I'm sorry, we don't move left or right at all. We just go up or down to be on the y-axis. So if I give you a list of ordered pairs, you should be able to look at the list of ordered pairs and identify the x and y intercepts. So if we're doing the x-intercept first, remember the x-intercept is the value that has a number for x, any number, and then 0 for y. So looking at my coordinates, this is the coordinate that has a value for x, and then the 0 for y. So my x-intercept here is 5, 0. My y-intercept goes the other way, where 0 is the number first, and that's at 0, -7. Let's try another example. I'll put together a list of some ordered pairs, and then you find the x and y intercepts. So based on this problem, where do you see the x-intercept? So the x-intercept here is where I have a value for x and then a 0 for the y. So here is my x-intercept. And the y-intercept is where I have 0 for x and a value for the y. So now you should be able to identify the x and y intercepts from a graph, a table, and from ordered pairs.